Hello guys, so we are back. I'm gonna take this trade real fast because I like here. This is short and then I'll explain what I'm doing. Um, okay, mark this up.
Order filled.
This is the Nasdaq guys. So I know I haven't been on too much. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a lot of there has not been a lot of setups. So I've been staying away just because there's no setups, unfortunately. So. But I'm taking this, as you can see, this is on the 15 minutes, still the same account, nothing's changed, guys. But as you can see here, this is a 15 minutes. The strategy works in every time frame. So I am taking this in the 15. You have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch here. We finally broke. We came back, retested. This is a fair value gap that I also trade on my other accounts. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. There we go, perfect. You can see it a little clearer. I mean, it's that simple. Stop loss is going to be obviously above here on the 15 minute. That's your stop loss. I'm using purple lines, that way I can tell what we need, what difference from my hourly ones. That's for my personal, but you can see I just took it in the 15 minute. I'm probably not gonna, I was not holding to this low, that would be beautiful. But as you can see here, there's some resistance right here. That's probably where I'm probably want to take my profit, somewhere around there. Hopefully, I mean, this is probably your first stop right here, 730, and then 691 if you can break it. I'm being a little hopeful here, hoping that we can push down. But yeah, that's it, guys. 15 minute right now. I'm taking this trade, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully this keeps going down. And again, this is probably where we probably want to see that first one. Probably, yeah, somewhere around there. See, there's a nice little support right there. So probably here first, and then second. If that breaks, this is your second one here. So I'm gonna put it here just in case it flushes or anything like that. But yeah, guys. Again, there just hasn't really been anything that I really want to take. I mean, if you guys look at gold, this is gold. Okay, this is on the hourly. Nothing to do. So if you guys remember, I took this long from right here, like this right here. There was a line from here to here, and from this is all it's been doing. We sold like around here, I think, for profit. Look after this. After this, it's just going up and up and up. I mean, it's been just ridiculous. So I mean, had I stayed in, yeah, even to now, I would have made, bank, but we didn't. But look at this, it's just ridiculous. So nothing to do on gold. On oil, again, not much. This is I was looking at the 50 minutes, fair value gap, then came back retested. But again, not a ton of stuff going on. Not like high setups, A plus setups. So I just haven't taken it. I'm thinking taking longs if this can break. Right there, but that's about it, guys. No, nothing really interesting. I've been playing Fair Value Gap, which I also know how to play, and I can play that on my other accounts. Hence why this has that, which is actually perfect play, as you can see here. But on this account, the small account challenge, I have not been able to. No great trades, unfortunately. So, and obviously gold, oil, and Nasdaq are my bread and butter. So hence why I'm taking this 15-minute. Trade, because I know that people want to see what's going on, and it's still here. It's just nothing's going on, unfortunately. So we had this huge momentum up ride here, touched this resistance right there. So hopefully we can get a nice sell off, and this would be the first one would be right here, so around 150. I'm gonna be hopeful and put it here. Obviously, if we start selling off, that'd be great. Our stop loss is this line right here. So. Now it's 50 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and put it right there now. So 87 risk. We'll see what happens. If not, we'll call it a day. That's about it, guys. I'll see you later. I'll keep you updated, all right? See you soon. All right, guys. So we are back. So we're up around $70, $80 or so. It's around 330, close to it. Just wanted to show you, give you an update of what's going on. We are holding. Move the stop loss now, so we're basically at break even, $8 stop loss. This is your stop loss right there. So it is panning out, it's working. So we got in around here, came back, and we're hoping to break this. Hopefully break this, get to this level, and then hopefully to this level, to 150. I will close it prematurely just because if it's 3:30, you have half an hour till the market closes. I want to lock in some gains. If we get a nice little push down to here or there or somewhere, I'll lock it in and whatnot, in case I don't catch it on the camera, then you know what's going on, and that way I can, we can get some gain and keep going on the right track. Good small little trade today in the 15 minutes. I liked it, we may do a little more of these to try to get this account up again and again, just because the hourly there really isn't any setups that are really like taking. So the 1 hour set you take them, hold them a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. Just letting you know. Hopefully you can get a nice little push, and then we'll go from there, guys. I'll see you soon. All right, guys. So we are back. It's around 3:40. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here, which is it's gonna suck. I break even basically. So, but it is what it is. We played it. We could have taken profit here around $75, $80 or so, but looking to try to hopefully to flush for the end of the day. But it looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. So I just wanted to come back on here. We played the strategy, but unfortunately, just this couldn't break it. There's a nice resistance right there. It missed us. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully, it goes down, it'd be nice. But if it doesn't, then we're just gonna wait it up. We have 2 minutes till close right now. So let's see what happens. I really did think I was gonna get stopped out there, so that's why I hopped on. But what happened with gold today? It was okay. I'm glad I didn't take the long. This is all 50 minutes, guys. So these are quick plays. So if it was in the hourly, as you can see here, that's what we trade. Let's put this there. Yeah, you can see here, it's still just going up, nothing here. That was the 15 minutes. We were trying to get this, but would have been nothing. So I'm glad I didn't take that. Let's see, oil. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. I was gonna play this. This is the fair value gap. If you've heard of it. So look at that. You would have played shorts here once it entered here, and it would have worked out nice. It never got back above there. Huh. Interesting. That's in the 50-minute too. This is the hourly. Let me delete that now. Nice. Huh. It is what it is, guys. Not much I can do. So we're approaching the 50 minutes. You have another 2 minutes or so. So whatever happens there, if you get stopped out or we close above that line, let me pull it up so you can see it. Then it's the interval. Okay. Yeah. There you go. So if we close above that line, if you don't get stopped out before, like if you close around here, I'll close it for minimal profit. You might get stopped out there. Yeah. But we did what we had to. We followed the strategy, guys. And not much you can do there. Maybe it could have taken profit on the second test, like around here. But I was really hoping that we would break it and then keep going down. But it didn't, unfortunately. So, let's see what happens here, guys. So, but it's a break-even trade, guys. I don't get too many of those, but Come on, you gonna stop me out or not? Alright. I do have another account that I played the same thing, so I'm looking at it too on my other screens. Nothing going on here. Alright. Platinum. I want to look at platinum. Nothing. Once it broke that, nothing really happened. Alright. That's what it is. I think it's all silver. I think I looked at silver. Interesting. Once it broke, it hasn't come back and retested this line. You have 1, 2, 3. If it breaks this line, guys, it's simple. You can see there. That's very simple. If it breaks this, and that's in the hourly, so that's be a great trade. If it breaks this on the hourly, this is short in the trade. Of course, you have this very strong support.
Order
here.
filled.
Oh, we got stopped out.
Order filled.
I got stopped out on my other account too. Let's see. Yeah, see now it's pushing. Yeah, just hit us. All right, guys, minus $3. Again, break even for the day. I really was hoping to break and really push you into this, and then these lows, and obviously those if could have pushed them, but unfortunately didn't. It is pushing up, so we'll take it. We played our strategy, and it is what it is. What we're looking at? Oh, solar. This is a trade that I'm looking at, guys. That if you see it, you can probably maybe play it. So this is there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a really tough support there, guys. So if you do choose to play it, be very careful that it has to break this. Once it breaks this too, these two, it's gonna go down, test this, and then really go down, then test this trend line right there. So that's gonna be a good trade either for tomorrow or for the next couple of days to see where this goes. I mean, if it keeps going up, if it bounces, which it can, we'll see. But all right, guys, we're done for the day. Break even for the day. It is what it is. We tried what we could, and we'll be there, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye now.